This video is about a quote from Jeff Cooper that'll help you control your inner gear devil. Welcome to Red Kettle and the series What Can Hunters Learn From? Today, it's all about what can hunters learn from Jeff Cooper. I think it's safe to say that Jeff Cooper was one of the founding fathers of practical shooting, and a lot of the things he said also apply to hunting. I love hunting gear that's been built with attention to detail. But sometimes that passion can control me, and I want to change that. Maybe you feel the same way. Every piece of hunting gear you use has to play an important role. Otherwise it might get in the way, might slow you down, or may even ruin a hunting trip. So what's the solution? Well, sometimes we've got to look back to take a step forward. I read Art of the Rifle, and after doing that, I started Googling quotes by Jeff Cooper. And the man is a treasure trove of interesting things to say about shooting and hunting. And here's a quote that's particularly relevant for today's topic. Owning a handgun doesn't make you armed any more than owning a guitar makes you a musician. I wish I came up with poetry like that. I love this quote, but it's a reminder, not a plan. To address that, I've come up with a framework to help me become a more efficient hunter. One of the components is a loop that I refer to as epiphany. It stands for experiment, practice, plan and hunt. Those 4 steps force me to gradually introduce new gear and never take it to the field without proper testing. Jeff Cooper is sometimes the angel on one of my shoulders who reminds me that skills win over gear and that new equipment has to be tested before taken into the field. If you're a little like me, or a lot, I think you'll find great value in the quote from Jeff Cooper. Think about it next time you're going to buy gear, and more importantly, think about it next time you're tempted to rush a new piece of equipment onto a hunting trip before you tested it properly. Let me know what you think about the quote, and if you've got other Jeff Cooper quotes that are worth considering. Either way, I hope you got some food for thought. If you liked the video, please do. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe and switch on notifications. Thanks for watching.